Hey there, world travelers.
Hey there.
I'm Tanya.
And I'm Dave.
And we are Turn It Up World. And today we're heading back to Franklin's Barbecue, except this time we are doing takeout during quarantine. And we're going to show you a step-by-step guide to Franklin's Barbecue Takeout. Wow. Now it's kind of sad to see, but at the same time, happy to see that there's no one on the streets of 6th Street here in Austin, Texas, just because we know that they're all hunkering down and practicing social distancing.
No, it's so important. We have to do that now, all of us. And so definitely glad to see that. Now it is a little ominous seeing these places boarded up.
Yeah.
Right? It's so sad to see that.
Now, we love Franklin Barbecue. As a matter of fact, we've been there several times and under different circumstances. It's a really great place to come to. You wait, obviously, there's long lines, but the experience is well worth it.
Absolutely, it's great. It's like a big tailgate experience, but obviously now it's very, very different out of the quarantine.
So we're gonna take you through sort of a step-by-step guide here to ordering takeout during this quarantine at Franklin's Barbecue. First and foremost is you have to place your orders online. And definitely follow Franklin's social media platforms because things change. Actually, as a matter of fact, as of this video, you can now order 3 days in advance.
Right, you can order 3 days in advance, right? And there's a certain minimum order size. Like you have to order 3 pounds of meat at least, right? And so 3 pounds of meat. But you know, it seems pretty efficient, right, so far.
Exactly. And the method, the way they do it now, obviously it's still the same until it runs out. And they give you like a window. So the earlier you order, the earlier your window. So our window is now between 10:30 and 11 o'clock, which is the first window. And so what happens is you end up pulling into the parking lot, you pull into a space, and there's all different signs to let you know, as a matter of fact, when you first drive down the street, it actually says there's no indoors, it's just basically to-go orders. And when you pull in, they have like reserved numbers in front where you can pull in, and you have to actually call and text.
Right, exactly. They give you a number to text. You actually text howdy, right?
Howdy.
So we do that. So we need to do that, and then we'll kind of show you, kind of walk you through that whole process.
Exactly.
So howdy, please tell me your order number. Your order number can be found on your receipt in your email. If you don't have a receipt, just reply with a name on the order. Please don't send me your parking spot yet. I just need to confirm your order first.
Awesome. So
all right.
Now it looks like we're just going to text
our order number,
which is 57.
57, here we go.
Okay.
Let's text that.
Bingo.
Just text our order number. Okay, now we reply with our spot number.
Our spot number.
We're in spot number 3. Here we go. Text 3. Okay, now it says, okay, you told me your information is order 57, parking spot 3. If that looks right, please pop your trunk and wait in your car. Someone will be outside with your order soon.
Ooh.
We appreciate your patience. Please reply thank you when you receive your order or support if you need assistance. If you're picking up more than one order, please reply order. This is great. This is actually really well done.
Very well done.
Very clear.
Nice job, Mr. Dovey.
And
nice job.
Put on the mask.
Put on the mask. All right, so now that is all set and done, David, great job from me and reading that for sure. The next step before we pop this trunk is we want to put on our mask. So let's do it.
Let's do it. Put on the mask and then pop the trunk.
I am your father, Luke. Luke. I am your mother, Luke.
There we go.
You better be home for dinner, sucker. Here, representing Franklin.
Exactly. I'm excited to get my brisket. Pork ribs.
It's like a new Marvel character here. Now we're about to pop the trunk. We can actually do it from the car. So we're gonna pop this right about now.
Yeah, there it goes. Of course, our trunk is a hatch. Our trunk is a hatchback, so it's not like it's just a trunk.
And now that that's popped, we just basically have to wait, and then they'll come out and put the order in the trunk. And so it's a trusting service, so you obviously want to make sure you trust the establishment because you're not going to know what's in there. Yeah, exactly. We're smiling if you can't tell already. Our order is Tanya and Dave. Yay! There's our order. Look at that. They pop it right in the trunk.
Thank you.
Okay, the order is in the car, and now the trunk can close.
Closing trunk.
Closing trunk.
Sealing environment.
Exactly. And now.
All right, we are ready to go.
That was awesome.
Yeah, super easy. Super easy. Glad we can support Franklin during this time. It's obviously a crazy time.
Yes, absolutely. We just came back to say thank you.
Wow, that was
I know,
incredible.
that was so easy.
Oh yeah, no, Franklin Barbecue, they're doing a great job right now to make it easy.
Yes.
Like right now you can get actually Franklin with no wait.
With no wait.
No wait.
Can you believe
Super
that? I mean,
fast, yeah.
we waited, you know, several times for almost 6 hours at a time.
Right.
And this time it was just a matter of ordering, drop it in the cart, and go.
Right, and plus it feels great, you know, you're supporting a local kind of restaurant barbecue spot.
Yes.
So why not? I mean, get great food really quick, real easy.
Exactly, and that's a great thing. There's a lot of businesses around here,
Yeah.
small food businesses that are small businesses, I guess you would say,
Oh, yeah.
that are actually catering to pickup and delivery. So really take advantage of that. We're taking advantage of that. We're like Texans helping Texans. You know what I'm saying?
Exactly.
Woo-hoo!
Exactly.
So I am excited. Now, we did not share with you what we got at Franklin's because it's a fast process. We did
Yes.
order the right amounts, but we figured we share what we got with you at the dinner table.
Oh,
so I
yeah.
think it's time for us to head to
I
the
think so.
dinner
I
table.
tell you, it smells so good in here.
Doesn't it?
Right, I want to get back and start eating that stuff.
Let's eat. Cheers, my dear.
Cheers,
to
my love.
an amazing day, an amazing meal with an amazing man.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. I tell you, this definitely brings a little bit of normalcy back. I mean, obviously in this crazy time with the quarantine, nothing's normal. It's really
Exactly.
crazy. But eating at home with Franklin
Yes.
is great.
I
Amazing,
agree.
yeah.
Having Franklin Barbecue here at home it's nice, and actually, like, you're absolutely right about that. And I will say this, just to make mention, from wherever you are, if you can support your small businesses, your restaurants that may have either gift card
Yes.
ideas, pick up a gift card if you can. Delivery, they're big into delivery and also pickup. So you can definitely support them by showing a little bit of a helping hand like we did here.
Yes.
And if you made it this far, thank you so much. We really appreciate that. If you have not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you get every time we post something new and exciting. Thanks for joining us, World Travelers, and we look forward to seeing you.
On the road.
Bye.